Mounting heavy-duty shelves on drywall or other standard wall material is a practical way to display items without needing freestanding furniture. Start by measuring the distance between the screw slots on your shelf to ensure proper alignment with wall studs. Use a stud finder to locate the studs and mark them. Then, align your brackets accordingly, prioritizing the installation over studs for added stability. Use a level to draw a guideline for accurate placement and select suitable wall anchors based on your shelf's weight and wall type. After drilling pilot holes, install the anchors and secure the brackets to the wall, ensuring they are level. Finally, attach the shelf to the mounted brackets, enlisting help if necessary. Following these steps will ensure your shelves are safely and securely installed.